Welcome back to the Story Highway. Today's story is called The Snowstorm Stranger, set in the United States. It is about kindness, community, and how a small act of help can change someone's life. Let's begin. It was the middle of winter in Chicago, and a huge snowstorm had just hit the city. Roads were blocked, the air was freezing, and people hurried home to escape the cold. On one of those icy evenings, a woman named Emily Parker was driving home after a long day of work when her car broke down on a quiet road. The engine refused to start, and Emily tried calling for help, but her phone battery was almost dead. Snow kept falling heavily, and the streets were empty, making her feel afraid and worried she might be stuck there all night. Just then, a man in a thick winter coat appeared, carrying a bag of groceries. He noticed Emily struggling and knocked on her window, kindly asking if she needed help. His name was Michael, a local resident who lived a few blocks away. Without hesitation, Michael took off his gloves and began checking her car, battling the freezing wind but not giving up. After 20 minutes, he managed to get the engine running. Emily was incredibly relieved and thanked him for saving her, but when she tried to pay him, Michael refused, asking only for her promise to help someone else one day. That moment stayed with Emily. Weeks later, she was walking near a bus stop when she saw an elderly man struggling with heavy bags. Remembering Michael's words, Emily quickly helped him, and the old man smiled warmly, telling her that people like her make the world brighter. Emily realized that kindness spreads, and one stranger's help during a snowstorm had inspired her to pass on kindness to others. Years later, Emily shared this story with her children, reminding them that in a big country and busy life, even a stranger's small kindness can warm the coldest night. So, friends, that was the story of Emily and the Snowstorm Stranger in Chicago. This story reminds us that kindness is never wasted. It creates a chain that keeps moving forward. If you liked this story, please like, share, and subscribe to the Story Highway for more inspiring English stories.